year because I had an unfortunate home renovation that had me staying in a hotel for 70 something days. So I have a crap ton of points and status. So I booked one night in Florence at the St. Regis, and you guys, holy cow, they upgraded me. So I've got a bigger room than even I booked. But okay, so this, hold on, I'm gonna flip you around. So we're starting here at the front door, and to the right is the closet, and it's just me and my tiny little backpack, but that's one side of the closet. And a big old mirror so you can do an OOTD. And then the other side of the closet. So, you know, if there's two of y'all staying here, it is the perfect size and then some. And then we've got the little foyer. That's the entry door to the suite. And then we come in through here for the big reveal. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Holy Moses, you guys. This is insane. Like, I cannot. I knew this was like a gorgeous historic property, but this has by far exceeded my expectations. I mean, the artwork, the upholstery, the fabrics, the massive chandelier, the incredible bed, which looks so comfy considering I'm going on about 1 hour of sleep from an overnight flight. And then we get to the washroom. We have a beautiful standalone shower. You could probably fit 3 or 4 people in there if you wanted to. There's a nice little rain head. Toilet, bidet, gorgeous tub where you know my ass is going to be in there doing the reenactment of the Pretty Woman scene where she's in the bathtub. Beautiful double sinks. Lots of lovely toiletries. Then over here, we've got waters. We have a little kettle set up with tea. And then we have a little welcome gift. I don't know if this is because of my status or what, but we have a little bottle of Cuvée Vino Brut Spumante, which I'm only here for one night, so I'm going to have to get drinking, y'all. And then we have a little welcome letter and things like that. The key for this room is absolutely adorable. You have these little tasseled keychain situations. And you can leave them at the front desk while you go out so you don't have to lug it all the way around Florence. And then, I guess last but not least, is this little desk setup. So this is fantastic. Oh, I haven't even looked at the view. It is nighttime, so I don't even know if we have a view, what it looks like. Just over a little Florentine city street. Nothing bad, nothing fantastic. The windows, I believe, are... Oh, no. I know that you have to sign a waiver to get them open. Oh, it's openable. All right. I guess they figured I'm a adulty enough adult to do this. So yeah, this might be one of the craziest rooms that I've ever stayed in, and I'm only here for one night. I booked this on points. I think it was 79,000 points, something like that. A little more expensive than I was originally looking at the AC in Florence, but I figured, you know what? I've got the points, I've got the status. Let me see what kind of awesomeness I can get out of it. So here we are. I'm gonna go find some food because I've been in transit for a day and a half now, and I flew on cheapo airlines that don't provide any sort of food, much less even a drink of water unless you pay for it. So I'm gonna go get some food, and then I'm gonna come back and pop this bottle of bubbly and get myself to sleep so we can have some fun in the morning before we head to Lucca. One last thing that I forgot to mention is that the room comes with butler services, as do most of, or maybe all of the St. Regis's. I don't know. I've never stayed at a St. Regis before, but I think I'm now spoiled for future. So you can have packing and unpacking, you can have garment pressing. I've scheduled my morning wake-up tea for 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and I can contact my butler via the hotel phone or WhatsApp. So yeah, pretty awesome. Okay, hold the phone. If you're here and you need to get some work done, I was like, what's in this little box on the desk? Well, you've got pens, pencils, paper clips, staples, stapler remover, Post-its. Insane, insane. Since I got absolutely no sleep on my flights, I decided to YOLO and room service. This is the pasta with lobster and lime. Came with a big old thing of bread and all the balsamic and olive oil, and of course butter. And look at this. So I'm gonna put my robe on and eat my food and sleep. It's 7 a.m. and I slept like a baby. The bed is so comfortable. My Butler tea service was just delivered, which is kind of crazy. Holy cow, there are way too many tea choices. We've got tea, they gave you the choice when you ordered it last night if you wanted milk or lemon. I am a lemon girl when it comes to tea. And then I've got two little muffins of some sort, but I haven't yet figured out what they are. Took a lovely little bubble bath last night, slept like a baby, woke up a little too early because jet lag, but that's okay. I'm gonna have my morning tea, and then I'm gonna finish getting ready for the day. I've already had a shower, and then once I'm ready, I'm gonna go have breakfast. One of my Marriott perks is free breakfast as a titanium, so I'm gonna go have free breakfast here, and then I'm gonna get my stuff together and check out. I'm thinking about heading over to the Duomo, and then I want to hit a wine window, and then I'll probably get on the train to Lucca around noon or 1 o'clock. So this wraps up, unfortunately, my stay at the St. Regis here in Florence. If you ever get a chance to stay at this hotel, I absolutely recommend it. It's incredible. Well worth the points. I'm not sure about the cash price. I will do a little research, put that on the screen. Again, I am here in slow season in, what are we in, February. January was like 6 years long, right? So it's February now. So I'm here in slow season. I think I paid 79,000 points for the one night, and this is an upgraded larger room than what I actually booked. I think, again, thanks to my titanium status with Marriott. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I do lots of hotel room tour videos while I'm traveling, and also travel vlogs and things like that on my channel. And while you're at it, don't forget to check out my website, mostlySoloTravel.com.